Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna be roasting this huge YouTuber named Fendi Gaming. But we're also like some bacon, dude. Okay, so let's. I'ma fix that. Oh, there's a cat here. There's a cat. Hello. Go back. Thank you.
This, we want this. We love this. We need this. In hell. This, we want this. We
What did you say to me? Got to hand this one from going.
love this. We need this. In hell.
You know what? You know what?
Third year high school ako noon. Nagnagising na lang kami ng mga kapatid ko dahil sa lakas ng pag-iyak ni Mama. Agad namin siyang pinuntahan at doon namin nalaman na iniwan na pala kami ng papa ko at sumama na sa ibang babae. Nasaktan ako para kay Mama dahil alam ko
Right?
gaano siya kapaliw sa pagmamahal sa papa ko. Pero sa bandang huli, nakahinga rin ako ng maluwag dahil sa wakas ay natapos ang kalbaryo niya sa piling ng papa ko. Mula noon pinilit namin pumasok.
Okay.
At bilang panganay sa apat na magkakapatid, mas lalo akong nagsumikap na makapagtapos sa pag-aaral ko. Dahil wala na si Papa, ako na ang gumawa ng paraan para makapag-aral ako sa kolehiyo. Kung saan ako umanap ng scholarship at pinagsabay ko ang pag-aaral at pagtatrabaho. Sa awa ng Diyos, nakapagtapos ako at agad rin ako nakahanap ng trabaho. Prioridad ko ang kumayod na kumayod para mapagtapos ko sa pag-aaral ang mga kapatid ko.
I like you have a cupcake. 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 I'll still love you, God, even with no flowers.
Nope.
I'll still love you, God, even with no.
What? Let's see this.
Love me? No.
Anybody here? Gotta go for roast mode. Shut the fudge up, you spoiled that bubble digger. Your hair must have been in the sewer for way too long, bro. Your head must have been hurt, bro. You must have been in a coma for like way too long in the sewers. At least I have my father. At least you don't have one. Well, mom, sucks to be not fatherless. To be fatherless. I don't know what I'm saying, but shut the fuck up. Oh, I see the difference. I see the difference, guys. This is the difference.
Naghihintay na sa akin sa labas yung ibang
This
office mate
one.
natin. Hindi na.
This
Kailangan
one
ko
is
pang tapusin yung mga ino-audit ko. Naka-assign na sa pangalan ko kaya kailangan ko na talagang gawin. Sure ka na talaga? 100%? Wala nang bawian?
See, huh?
Oo, lang kayo dun
I have to the poster. See, bro, they are twins.
Bye! Bye! Ingat kayo!
You look so pretty, like model.
Like a big fat cow. Parang gusto ko lang
You look so pretty, like model.
Oh,
Look like a big fat cow.
Overtime din ako eh. Eto, kape oh.
You look so pretty, like model.
Station mo. Ginawa ko sa vending machine.
Look like a big fat cow.
tatayo na nga sana ako.
Okay, what is
You look so pretty, like
You're
model.
welcome. Parang binibigyan ko naman ni
Look like a big fat cow.
So it's the one where it's literally like Casey's sister in real life. Where's the probably just Casey's sister in real life? Like, bro, she's so fat in real life. She must be so fat that they need a whole freaking mansion for a bedroom and a freaking whole one kitchen, and they just need the freaking world soul supplies for her. Literal light snack, like I don't know. Casey, just kidding. What the fuck?
Mukha ba akong gimikero?
See that toxic person?
Hindi naman. Akala ko lang kasi kagaya ka ng ibang kaopisina natin na kapag Friday, palagi nagmamadaling matapos ang trabaho para makapag-happy hour na. Anyway, salamat ulit dito sa kape ha. Balikan ko muna tong ginagawa ko para matapos na rin ako. Tony, simula nung unang araw na pumasok si Rean sa opisina, ay lagi niya akong binibigyan ng kape.
You know what? You know
Yun
what?
daw kasi ang paraan ng pasasalamat niya
You know what?
dahil sa pagtuturo ko sa kanya ng mga gawain na dapat niyang malaman sa opisina kahit na minsan ay nasusungitan ko siya. Noong una, hindi ko talaga tinatanggap ang kape na binibigay niya. Pero dahil sa makulit siya, hinayaan ko na lang.
I ain't gonna care about it. Not gonna lie. That girl was literally freaking trash. Bro was so trash that even trashed few when they saw her. Not gonna lie, but to make another video of it.